Good afternoon to everyone. We are here to present our Olympic Data Analyzer project, which is organized by Geeks for Geeks. Today we embark on an exciting journey through the history of Olympic Games with our Olympic Data Analyzer project. Our project is divided into four sections: medal tally, overall analysis, country-wise analysis, and athlete-wise analysis. I am Vinod Chowdhury, team lead of the project, and together with our talented team members Lahari, Sushant, and Prakar Shukla, we will uncover captivating insights from the world's most celebrated sporting event. The Olympic Data Analyzer project is a data driven exploration that leverages the power of data science and machine learning to unveil the rich history of the Olympics spanning from 1896 to 2016. Let's get into the project. Now, let me introduce myself once again. I am Vinod Chaudhary, leading the medal tally module, which is the first module of our project. My expertise is in data visualization, which will help us to explore medal statistics based on selected years and countries. Now let us have a closer look at the website. Here we can see the overall tally where it shows the total medals earned by all regions or countries. Now if we scroll down at the left corner, we can find the selection area where we can give the input. It takes year and country as a input. For example, if we select the year as 1900 and we select country India, we get the output as number of medals won by India in the year 1900. So we can see the total number of medals won by India in the year 1900 is 2. So now here ends the first module of my medal tally. Thank you. Next we have Lahari driving the overall analysis module. Her statistical prowess will shed light on the top performing nations and participation trend.
Now I am presenting second module of our project. The second module of our project is overall analysis. The overall analysis module unravels the evolution of the Olympics, revealing interesting patterns and the impact of iconic athletes. The overall analysis, let us deep dive into the website. As we can see the top statistics and participating nations graphs. The top statistics are divided into 6 subparts: editions, host sports, events, nations, athletes. 28 times Olympics were held. 52 sports are conducted, 651 events are organized, 206 nations participated, 1,16,122 athletes are played. As we can see that the graphs participating nations over the time, the number of regions at 1900 is 31. Gradually the graph is increasing. In 2016 almost 204 regions were participated in the Olympics. Similarly, events over the time and athletes over the time, the graphs are showed. They are gradually increased from 1900 to 2000. The graphs were increased, we can see here. Now let's move into the subsection show below. Number of events over the time, every sports. It defines about the every sports. This is also known as a heat map, shows below many sports, how many sports and how many nations have participated in year from 1896 to 2016. We can see the heat map. Initially the athletes were 12, but gradually years passed, the athletes were increased 40 to 47. Similarly, same as swimming. Initially in 1896 4 nations were participated. Gradually it is increased to 34 nations in the 2016. Thank you.
Now let's meet Sushant, who's leading the country-wise analysis module. His data-driven approach will give us a deeper look into the individual countries' performances.
Thank you, Vinod. In this country-wise analysis module, we will explore countries' medal tallies across different editions and identify their strengths in specific sports. So we'll move into country-wise analysis. Here we can select any individual country, like I'll selecting India. And we can see the number of medals which was collected across multiple years in this Olympics. When we come here, we can see number of medals which is collected across multiple years in various type of categories like wrestling, weightlifting, tennis, shooting, sports, hockey, boxing, etc. etc. And this is about country-wise analysis.
Last but not least, we have Prakash Shukla driving the athlete analysis module. His passion for sports analytics will celebrate legendary athletes and their contributions. Hello everyone. In the athlete analysis module, we pay tribute to iconic athletes, examine their records, and uncover their lasting impact on the Olympic Games. So, as we can see in the athlete-wise analysis, first graph shows about the distribution of age. It shows where in which age the players have won the gold medal and bronze medal, and we can unselect the medal here in the right corner. As you can see, I have selected only the gold medal. Then it shows the graph where the age between 20 to 30 players have achieved have chances of getting a gold medal, and then after the as the age increases the chances get lesser. And then in the next graph we can see that the distribution of age with respect to sports. So these are all the sports where players have been playing at the age. As we can see, if we take the example of basketball. Yeah, now if we take the example of diving, then as we can see, diving will give the sport at the 18 to 20 will have a high chances of getting the medal in diving. So it will say the chances of getting a medal in each sport. And then we have the height versus weight, where a particular sport is selected badminton, and it shows height in the y-axis, and in the x-axis it shows the weight, and the cross marks represent the female, and circle represent the male, and all the medals are in the color of blue, orange, green, and red. So we can see we can analyze from this graph, and here we can see the men and women participation over the years. So in the at the starting, female were less 0, and it's gradually increased to 3200, and men it was initially it was 174, and then it increased to 4000. So in this way this graph shows, and this is the last module, which is athlete wise analysis. Thank you. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to present the project before you.